Happy letter writing day. Woo. It is way too hot today again. 38 degrees. I'm melting. I'm dying. So I've been watching movies all day and knitting. I watched Christmas with the Cranks for holidays, and right now I'm watching Bad Santa, one of my favorites. I'm totally this kid. Puppies are doing okay. But I got a knot in my knitting and I'm stuck. But this is what I'm knitting. It's like a Charlie. But there's this bloody knot I can't undo. I'm making some chutney now. We got cranberries and some dates, onions, apples. I'm gonna add some spices and stuff. This is actually Nigella Lawson's Christmas chutney recipe, which I love. Alright, added some spices, added some white wine vinegar, salt and pepper. Now just giving it a good stir and let it sit for about an hour. Done.